Welcome to my shop, Wohlman Wood Works. I'm here trying out this new blade from a friend of mine. It's from a place called a tooling shop. And this blade is pretty darn interesting. Let me spin you around here so you can check this thing out. If you notice, this blade's got a few different things. You can see the logo there on the front. On the blade, it's etched in there pretty nicely. The blade has these big gouge marks here, and that's for really just dust to get out of the blade, which keeps the teeth nice and clean, the carbide tips. Also, notice these little funky little wavy lines there. That is to help reduce noises. They've got some down here as well. And they're filled with a polymer, so as this thing heats up, the blades don't allow a crack to actually get in the steel there, so it keeps it pretty soft. And it does. It's a pretty soft blade. My vacuum system's a heck of a lot louder than this blade is. Cut some different things here. Don't have a whole lot of really super hard wood, but I've got some oak here, this white oak, and as you can see, this cut is just super clean, no marks on it at all. The mahogany, I mean, gosh, do you even need to sand all that much? Not really. And I also cut some of this, it's called bloodwood, and it is super waxy. It gunked up my other blade when I was cutting it with a little bit of stuff. And again, it's just a good clean cut, and there's nothing in the blade itself. Now what I'll do is I'll put you at eye level on the table saw here and cut a little piece of oak so you can see what this thing looks like and sounds like. And of course, like Norm always said, put on your safety goggles, got to protect those eyes. So here we go. I'm going to put my little scrap of lumber here. Let's see, let me get a big one here. Got my piece of oak. Move it down to shop level here, to cut level. And cut the blade on, let me lower it. A little too high. All right. And as you can see, dang, smooth as eggs. That's about as good as it gets. So, if you're looking for a new blade, go check out a tooling shop. It's great. I highly recommend it.